Hello guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Anurag. Today we will be seeing how to download Python in this Python series. So for installation of Python, we will go through the following steps. First, visit www.python.org. Then we will download the latest version available. Then we will check the command in the command prompt. So let's go to the browser and just type www.python.org.download. Then the first website will be the official Python website. Then we will click on it and we will be able to see what is the latest stable version which is available for Python. So just click on it. As you can see, the download is already done and I have already downloaded it. So to check whether our Python download is properly done or not, just open command prompt, which will be opened by using Windows plus R run command. And after opening the command prompt, just type py minus minus version and just click on enter. So the latest version which you have downloaded will be shown in the command prompt, which is Python 3.13.7, which is the latest version when I'm recording this video. So for more Python tutorials, follow this channel. See you in this next video.